All right, so we are here on Fox Tree Road. The listing is 1111. And here is the property with this beautiful driveway, and it's 2.5 acres. And this road is literally no through. So it's super quiet. You only have your neighbors here, and that's about it. And the view from this property is just on another level. But I'm just going to quickly do an exterior walk around. It has incredible gardens. Like, it's beautifully low maintenance, a lot of perennials and so forth. So it's super low maintenance, but it's an incredible, incredible property. It's a real stunner, that's for sure. And here is a little bit of a park, like a dog run here. It's really great. Throw your dogs in there. They have lots of space and you don't have to worry about them. And here's the house. So it has the double garage. It has a carport as well on the side here. So tons and tons of covered space. On top of that, it has a workshop, which is down here. And there's another road that goes down and accesses that workshop area. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go to this side. So here's the gardens. It's got gorgeous trees, privacy, shade. It's absolutely amazing. And I wish I could show you this in the spring. It's magnificent. But even now, I mean, it looks beautiful. Big front door entrance. Just going to go around here for now. There's another entrance here to the kitchen and eating area. Sorry about the sun. No, I'm not. Gosh, it's beautiful. What a nice day. Like, beautiful garden area. Again, really hard to see it now. Oh, look at this view from the patio. So it has gorgeous, gorgeous covered deck here. You could do some serious entertaining here. And then it has steps that go down. And then there's a grass area just down there and a vegetable garden fenced area. But look at that view. Okay, I'm just going to take these stairs down and take a look at the garden here. So lots of pathways and stairs. They've redone these as well. Absolutely beautiful. So most of this has sprinklers or irrigation. So it's really low maintenance. And yeah, again, so lots of perennials, lots of easy. They just cut it back during the winter and really easy to maintain the whole garden. And it looks magnificent. And here's that little grass area, which is amazing if you have kids or pets, but even though we do have a dog run, but it's just really nice to have a little grass patch. Here's the garden. So again, it has sprinklers. Absolutely beautiful. So fenced, so deer's not going to get in here and eat your lettuce. Beautiful, beautiful area. Here's the back of the house, and that has that. So this is that covered deck. This is the master bedroom. So you get that mountain view from the master bedroom. And here's that big deck, which is amazing. And then more stairs to come down. So tool shed. I'm just going to go around here. So this is another large covered, I guess, carport. They have their RV and other storage in here. This is incredible. Just to have this space. And it's got trusses. It's quite high. I mean, to put an RV in here, it's Probably important to do that. And they have some other equipment in here as well. Let's take a good view of the workshop. So another covered area, carport, and another carport area as well. And this is that other road that comes down to the workshop. The dog run or fenced area here. Even has a little bench. I mean, this is like the perfect dog park. All right. Okay, and coming into the workshop, it has power. Looks like it's insulated. Feels warm in here. What an incredible space. For whatever work needs to be done, can definitely be done in here. And this is the door to go to that back of the workshop carport. And then it has big doors here for access if you need to bring in any equipment or any wood or anything like that. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right. I can't wait to show you the house though. So let's head over there. Okay, we are leaving the workshop. I'm just gonna scooch over here to the side of the house. Here's the house here. And it does have a walkway all the way down here. Just took a shortcut. Yeah, so it has that. And here's the side of that workshop, the fenced area. And we're just gonna walk up this walkway here. Trees are so amazing here. Better view of the home now that the truck is gone. So carport area here, quite large. Ooh, sun, oh my goodness, okay. Okay, here we are. So this is the entranceway and it's got these incredible ceilings, super high, lights up there. It's really something special. Massive wood door. So here's the entranceway. I love that you can just kind of unload your shoes here. And it has a coat closet as well right here. And here's that living room area. So you walk in and you have this grand, amazing living room, which is absolutely beautiful. And you have the windows and you can see the mountains from here. From as soon as you enter, you can see the mountains. So let's go into this area here. Don't mind the photographer's stuff here. So this is the den. We are calling it a bedroom. It's actually a really good size and it could easily be a bedroom. And what an amazing space for an office as well. Beautiful hardwood floors. The floor is in-floor heating. So it has in-floor heating throughout and it has a heat pump and a fireplace. So a propane fireplace. Okay, but we have to go see the kitchen here. A little eating area. So this is one of the doors to go outside. So when we came in, this is the front. And here's another door So tons and tons of space to go outside to enjoy that patio. And the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. It's been updated. It's got a massive island with a sink in it. How beautiful that is. Like this is the entertainer's dream right here. A little mood music here for us. I don't know if you can hear it. And look how many windows. This is what you want in this house for this type of view. You want the windows. And the heat pump is right there. So again, going back to these incredible views. I mean, I could sit here all day and look at the views. Okay, back to the house. Dining room area right off the kitchen, which totally makes sense, and into the living room. So it does open up beautifully. This is that propane fireplace we spoke about. And I'm just going to turn this around. So entranceway, that's that den / bedroom. The kitchen is just around here. This is a wet bar. Like this place is just so perfect for entertaining. Or you don't have to share it with anybody. Dining room. So first things first, we have laundry right here. So beautiful washer dryer, tons of space. So lots of cabinets here, folding table with sink, and a kind of coat closet here as well to hang your coats when you come from the garage. So 2-car garage, lots of storage again, because that's always important. So there's that. And oh, I want to show you this. So it does have a powder room off the garage. So again, super handy to have that right here before you get into the house, especially if you're working here or working outside. And the utility room. So it doesn't take up any space inside the house. It is in the garage area, hot water on demand. And then it has the infloor heating here, softener, and then it's been re-plumbed. So the whole house has been re-plumbed here. So, all right, let's continue. So we come through the garage, and it's nice little mudroom here as well. Full bathroom. Really pretty. Bedroom, large windows. And closets here. So it's got the double bifolds. And the master. I can't wait to show you this. So linen closet here. And the master. So it's got these beautiful French doors. Like the detail in this home is amazing. Just absolutely amazing. I can't get enough of it. So this is carpeted, which gives you some extra warmth and just really nice for the master bedroom for sure. Massive master bedroom. And you're overlooking those mountains. And you have a heat pump here as well. And another door to go outside. There we go. Just another area to enjoy the outdoors. This master is incredible. And then it has that walk-in closet. Tons of space. See if I can get the whole thing here for you. So that's the entrance, and then you would get sunsets here on these mountains. All right, master ensuite, here we come. Are you ready for this? So it's been updated. So they've done the flooring, the tub. There was this large tub here. So they've removed that and they've created this beautiful modern space, and the windows. So you have this amazing three windows in the bathroom. It's just incredible. And sinks. So you have sinks here and here. And then this is a toilet. So it's nice to have a door on that one. So close that up. Absolutely incredible and so tastefully done. And you have some mountain views from here as well. Can't really see it on here. Let me see if I can get closer. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Well, that concludes the tour of the house. Any questions? I am available. All right, I'm going to end it right here.